speed washed. We're gonna install a spoiler after this. I'm seeing that this is the fire, this is spoiler, honeycomb. Shit reflects so nice in the sun. We're about to install this on, and then I'll show you guys the final product. Don't worry about the fucking shit tape job. It should work. It'll be alright. Beautiful. Send this bitch on a drive. If it's with focus. I'm probably gonna upload another video when I do more shit to it. I have a grill coming in soon, I think Tuesday, Sunday, so in like 2 days. And then I gotta install the grill, so I'll probably record that. And then I wanna try to get a muffler delete done soon, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'll just keep making updates on the car, hopefully. Stopping at a stop sign. I'm fucking recording a POV on my phone, like that shit as bitch goes. Yeah, it's not looking too bad. That's how the car looks on the inside at night. I'll record a video eventually of sending it, or I'll get like a GoPro or something. I can like head mount it, which would be easier instead of doing this. Like, what the fuck? But yeah, and this through us a little nice clip. The video, extend the video a little bit. I eventually want to get like a whole full bolt-on kit on the Q. I'm trying to hopefully we'll see how everything goes with it, but I want to compete for fastest Q50 in like tri-state area, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here because I'm almost at my house. So all right, just end it perfectly on a stop sign.